Last but not least, we will do trig functions. Now, with trig functions, I have another key, but it's different. So I call it so, ka, toa. So the S in so is sin, which is this button right here on your calculator. And the next one is opposite. And you know it's opposite because of this angle right here, because it only has a 90-degree angle on it. That's how you know it's opposite, right here. So then now we have the hypotenuse, and we know it's the hypotenuse because this 90-degree angle is across from it. So that's how we know that that is hypotenuse, 17. And then next we have ka. So the C in ka stands for cosine, which is this button. And then cosine goes with adjacent and hypotenuse. Now we know that this is adjacent because it has both the angles on it. So the angle 31 and the 90-degree angle are on the same side. So this is adjacent. Now the TOA stands for, the T in TOA stands for tan, and the O stands for opposite, and the A stands for adjacent. Now this can be very simple too. It's just with this kind of geometry, you just have to make sure that you don't make it harder than it actually is. So the way we start this is by seeing what they've already given us. And they have already given us 17. So they've given us the hypotenuse, and they have given us the adjacent side. So now, what match, we have to figure out what matches up with the key. So adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So then this is how we set it up. We go here and set up our equation, which is cosine, and then multiplied by 30, and then equals x over 17. Now the way you decide what goes on top is up here. So I made it to where you know exactly what goes on top of that equation. So in SOA, O would be first, the opposite side. And in Ka, adjacent would go first. And then in TOA, opposite would go before adjacent. So that's how we do that. So now we go to our calculator and press on, of course. So then we press cosine times 31, and we get this number. So you're just gonna go to the tenths place, or the hundredths place, I mean, sorry. So you're gonna go 0.86 because you're rounding it. And now we're just gonna cross multiply. So now we know that x equals 0.86 times 17. So we know that x equals 14.57. That's all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching today, and I hope it helped.